Learn.
Learn.
I like to learn English.
I like to learn English.
Reading.
Reading.
I am starting to reading a book.
I am starting to reading a book.
Meeting.
Meeting.
I meet my friends in my class.
I meet my friends in my class.
Bought.
Bought.
I bought a new pencil.
I bought a new pencil.
Get up.
Get up.
I always get up early in the morning.
I always get up early in the morning.
Make the bed.
Make the bed.
I make my bed when I get up.
I make my bed when I get up.
Stretching.
Stretching.
I stretch my muscles.
I stretch my muscles.
Doing yoga.
Doing yoga.
I am doing yoga in the morning.
I am doing yoga in the morning.
Walking.
Walking.
I am walking on the roof.
I am walking on the roof.
Going.
Going.
I am going to the washroom.
I am going to the washroom.
Brushing.
Brushing.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Bath.
Bath.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
Wearing.
Wearing.
I am wearing a school uniform.
I am wearing a school uniform.
Wear.
Wear.
I wear shoes.
I wear shoes.
Combing.
Combing.
I am combing my hair.
I am combing my hair.
Wearing.
Wearing.
I wear a tie.
I wear a tie.
Eating.
Eating.
I eat healthy breakfast.
I eat healthy breakfast.
Packing.
Packing.
I am packing my school bag.
I am packing my school bag.
Go.
Go.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
I go to school at 8 a.m.
Teaches.
Teaches.
My teacher teaches me English.
My teacher teaches me English.
Have.
Have.
I have 6 books.
I have 6 books.
Eat.
Eat.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
Attend.
Attend.
I attend 4 periods after lunch.
I attend 4 periods after lunch.
Closes.
Closes.
My school closes at 3 p.m.
My school closes at 3 p.m.
Go.
Go.
I go home after school.
I go home after school.
Come.
Come.
I come home and say good afternoon to my mom.
I come home and say good afternoon to my mom.
Change.
Change.
I change my school uniform.
I change my school uniform.
Wash.
Wash.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
Eating.
Eating.
I am eating food.
I am eating food.
Doing.
Doing.
I am doing my homework.
I am doing my homework.
Playing.
Playing.
I am playing video games.
I am playing video games.
Go.
Go.
I go to tuition at 5 p.m.
I go to tuition at 5 p.m.
Eat.
Eat.
I eat dinner in the evening.
I eat dinner in the evening.
Read.
Read.
I read books at night.
I read books at night.
Sleep.
Sleep.
I go to sleep at 9 p.m.
I go to sleep at 9 p.m.
Playing.
Playing.
I am playing in the park.
I am playing in the park.
Watching.
Watching.
I am watching my mobile.
I am watching my mobile.